Another bit of information that you should find very interesting and useful. I found it very interesting and useful, and I have a feeling that again I could not find this information anywhere else until I put two and two together. uh, I mean, it's my observation. It may be true, it may not be true, but I have a feeling that it is true, and it should help people who are into chakra sadhana. Now I'm going to connect this information about the chakra in our bodies with the information which was there right in front of us in the physics subject. Mm, you may have studied um, about the sunlight, the white light, having seven components of lights, having, and each of these lights have different wavelengths. And since they have different wavelengths, they have different frequencies, because wavelength is your cycle of crest and trough. If it is big, you can pass through anything. And if it's dense, it's like this. It's very dense. In a constricted area, there are a lot of crest and troughs. It gets blocked easily. So this is the reason why the fishes in the deepest of oceans, where light doesn't reach, they are red. That's because red is able to penetrate into deep depths of in great depths of the ocean, while other colors get blocked by molecules of water because they are dense. Right, so you are able to block dense object easily, while one that all those objects that are flowy, that are fluid, it's harder to obstruct their way. Like air, we can't obstruct its way as easily as we can do waters or a solid material. Fine. So since red has the highest, greatest, biggest wavelength, it can reach the depths of the ocean. This is one information. Now how do we connect it to chakra? Chakras in a body. You know, the lowermost chakra is red, Mooladhara. The root chakra is red, and then as we go up, the Swadhisthana, the Manipur, all these colors, they have different colors. Like the sacral chakra or the Swadhisthana chakra, which is just above Mooladhara, is orange, and the Manipur, that's solar plexus, is yellow. And then green is a transition chakra, after which things change. We are no more bound by the primal desires, because it is all encompassing. And then we reach the Vishuddha Agya and the crown chakra, right? So they have colors. They have colors like green, blue, violet, so on. Yeah, purple. So this is it. This is the reason. Now I was searching for the reason why Mooladhara is depicted red, and the sacral chakra is depicted as orange, Manipur as yellow, and I could not find the reason until I was reading the white light and how some fishes are red in color, and they are the ones that are swimming in great depths of ocean. So now we know, since the light that enters us gets blocked at various different stages, but red is able to get through because it has the biggest, least dense wavelength. Right? Now the second piece of information. Now this information is connected to all those who are studying electricity and magnetism. We know that electricity cannot flow from one point to another until there is potential difference. And another name for potential difference is voltage, right? You have to have high voltage that is high difference for the electrons to flow with great speed. How all those who've been reading chakra system, they know that they've read, they've heard through different people that you have to pull in the air, you have to inhale the air that you breathe and try to take it to your Mooladhara chakra, that's root chakra. So once you push in all that pressure on the Mooladhara chakra, a voltage is created, a potential difference is created, and then the charge moves up with greater force and pace. So these are the two things: white light breaking into 7 constituent colors, and the one that has the greatest wavelength would be able to penetrate at a greater depth, and the one that has a lesser wavelength will be obstructed and will be easier to stop. And that's exactly how the sequence of colors of different chakra in our bodies are depicted as. Okay, second, since I'm summarizing, is that most times when we are told that pull in all the air and take it to the lowermost chakra, that air, visualize as going to the lowermost chakra, that's because we want to create a potential difference so that that charge flows up through Sushumna. Sushumna is the junction where lunar and solar conduits or channels meet in order to exchange their charges. I've spoken about it in another video. I guess it was helpful to you. Bye.